Boost your business with Facebook marketing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to grow your business using Facebook, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing powerful Facebook marketing strategies that will help you get more engagement, leads, and sales. We're talking about optimizing your Facebook page, creating content that converts, and mastering the art of Facebook ads. Let's dive in. Let's be real, you're probably already on Facebook, but are you using it to its full potential? Did you know that Facebook has over 3 billion active users? That's right. Whether you're selling products, offering services, or building a brand, your audience is already there. But here's the catch. Simply having a Facebook page isn't enough. You need to drive traffic, create a buzz, and give people a reason to stop by. It's about understanding your audience, crafting compelling content, and using Facebook's tools to reach the right people. That's where a solid Facebook marketing strategy comes in. Think of your Facebook page as your digital storefront. It's the first impression you make on potential customers. Would you walk into a store that's messy, disorganized, and has no clear signage? Probably not. You need a professional profile picture that represents your brand, a captivating cover photo that grabs attention, and a bio that clearly tells people what you're all about. Don't forget to include your contact details and a strong call to action button. The more professional and user-friendly your page is, the more credibility you build. You've heard it before, content is king. But on Facebook, it's not just about creating any content, it's about creating content that grabs attention, sparks conversations, and keeps people coming back for more. Short-form videos and reels are your secret weapon. They're engaging, attention-grabbing, and Facebook loves to push them out to a wider audience. Remember, the more engagement your posts get, the more Facebook's algorithm rewards you with increased reach. Organic reach is great, but if you want to take your Facebook marketing to the next level, you need to leverage the power of Facebook ads. And I'm not talking about just boosting random posts. I'm talking about creating targeted campaigns that put your message in front of the right people at the right time. Facebook ads. Manager lets you define your target audience with laser precision. Track your ad performance, see what's working, and optimize your campaigns for maximum ROI. Want to build a loyal community around your brand without breaking the bank? Facebook groups are where it's at. Join relevant groups in your niche, engage in conversations, provide valuable insights, and build relationships with potential customers. If you're an expert in your field, why not create your own Facebook group? It's a fantastic way to establish yourself as a thought leader, foster a sense of community, and have a direct line of communication with your target audience. It's about providing value, answering questions, and creating a space where people feel heard and supported. Bonus tip: post at the right time. Timing is everything. Posting your content when your audience is most active can make a world of difference in your engagement rates. Weekdays between 9 a.m. and 12 p.m. and again between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. tend to be sweet spots. Track your analytics, experiment with different posting times, and see what works best for you. And that's it. Now you know how to master Facebook marketing and grow your business fast. From optimizing your page to creating killer content and running targeted ads, you've got all the tools you need to succeed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more digital marketing tips. Let me know in the comments, what's your biggest challenge with Facebook marketing? I'd love to help. See you in the next video.